let's go to my Whitby Value Village, always full of surprises. Today's surprise is this. Wow, it's a tabletop video game machine thing. It looks professionally built. The screws look a little bit, there's no covers on the screws, so it I don't know. Is it homemade? It works good. It's good that they've got it plugged in as well. That's interesting. Goes through all the games. Mostly, this one's all Street Fighter games. By the looks of it, all different types of Street Fighter games.
For me, this one.
Well, I know some people $400.
It's a tabletop.
Look, let's talk about the price at the end. I'll have a Google and see what there is. But I'm not a big Street Fighter fan, so probably wouldn't be interested in this anyway, even if it was cheaper. Maybe to flip, but not at $400. Pandora's box.
Makes you wonder who
I think this.
who handed it in for free.
I'm not sure.
Who dropped that off?
I think this is a Pandora's box in a cabinet that's been built. Let's see if any of the let's see what the game looks like. Here we go. Who's that? There's no sound for some reason. I'm not sure if that's something you can set up. Maybe they have it turned off, or I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I'm the big guy. It's hard to play a game with just one hand. I should really get a chest strap or something, but yeah, just try and I just video on the cuff, you know. I don't come with chest straps and all stuff like that, so it is what it is. I'm playing with one hand. I'm losing badly. Oh, and I lost. KO'd. Yeah, mostly mostly Street Fighter type games. I'm a different person now. So at the moment I'm playing. I'm sort of playing, but I'm trying to look around and see how do I turn it off. How to go back to the main. There we go. Now what button? No. Yep. There we go. Yeah, looking at the games, it's nothing. Maybe it's something you can opt for. You get like 500 Street Fighter games, or 500 Mario type games, or 500 racing games. I'm not sure. I think that's the way the Pandora's box works. So that's something a little different. A tabletop arcade game in Value Village. $400 though. I had a look at one. I found one you could buy in China. I don't know what the import fees would be. That's here. And another one off Amazon. Several sellers for around about $700. So yeah, it's 400's not far off its price. Although if you look closely, you could see there was a few cracks on the cover and stuff. I'm not sure whether that's not a homemade unit though, to be honest. Looking at the screws that are in it, I think it's probably a homemade unit, but what do you think? It's, you know what, if it was half the price, I'm pretty sure it would get snapped up pretty quick. But yeah, I saw a listing for this, which is a Pandora's box, and it looks like it's a Pandora's box in a box that's built to go on a tabletop. Anyway, see you on the next one, guys.